Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today is Monday, September 2nd, 2024. It's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. I'm standing down here in Huber Heights at the site of Ohio's First Buc-ee's. Not much has changed since our last video, but we were in the area, so we put the drone up. Got some drone video. Looks like they've done a little more preparation of the dirt. And this structure, the last remaining structure that was on the property, is
gone.
It's all gone now. So, just a short video to bring you a construction update. Anything you'd like to add? No.
Can't wait for it to open.
All right, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye.
Bye.
Still have these power poles that are going to need relocated. The construction office got the American flag and the Ohio flag on it.